ladies and gentlemen, this is Maggie from Tycorun. I'm right now at the motorcycle factory, so today we are going to show you our motorcycle screen, 5-inch TFT screen, how to use it with our CarPlay. And you can see this screen, we put 2 pieces of the battery inside. And then here the screen, you can see how many range you already run and the speed here. And then click here, we are going to teach you how to connect the CarPlay, click it. And then here we have a name here. Okay, we connect with the CarPlay. Here's the name of the Bluetooth. And then we open the Bluetooth on the phone and then connect this. Okay. And then we're waiting for the display to show in the CarPlay function. Okay. Right now is connected, and from the screen we can see the app on the phone. You can see the message, the phone calling, the WeChat, Google Map, and WhatsApp. And then we're going to show you the Google Map. We can use the Google Map to guide you where you want to go. This is the Google Map. Okay. The message. The phone calling. Okay. The Tycorun is a professional 2-wheelers and 3-wheelers battery swapping system provider. And then we can provide the charging technique, motorcycle, lithium battery, and the chargers. If you are interested in our solutions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.